Today's look is going to be a pop art lady, and this look is actually very easy. I just use the white and the darker tones of pink. There are loads of pictures on the internet with the pop art pictures, and I think I found one with very strong white and dark contrast. So I'm filling in the space which is supposed to be lit in with white color. Then next to it I'm adding a light pink, and then I'm switching to a darker pink. The darker the tone becomes, the less space it will take. So work with the first pink, I'm filling in kind of all the outlines of the white color, and then later on I'll add a little bit less of darker color, darker pink, and then less again to create these all shadows. I'm also painting my shoulders, and I just didn't want to switch to white, so I did pink all together, and then I'll paint white later on. So as you see, I'm adding darker shadows there next to the lighter pink. I'm painting my brows darker, and as you see, I wanted a really messy look, so I'm not really worried about switching to a smaller brush, just making some strokes with the same brush that I used. And also I'm adding a little bit around my hairline, so when I put the wig on it will look like it's kind of incorporated better. It's good to go into the hair. Adding shadows to my nose, around my eyes. I'm painting twice bigger lips than my own ones. And at the end I'm outlining my eyes and my lips with black, just to emphasize them a bit more. Now it's time to do these funny looking eyebrows, which they do in this cartoon movies, cartoon comic look. Another thing that I often see in the comics is nostrils, so I will paint the black nostrils as well. For my lips, I haven't decided if I want to have them open with the teeth visible, or it's just going to be highlights, and so it's kind of something in between. Then I'm outlining a bit more with a dark pink color. At the end I'm just adding a few highlights, and this will be it. This look is very easy. That took me like not an hour even. And I like it to be messy like that, and try it yourself. Just find a good picture to good reference picture. And as always, I'm asking you to click a like if you like this video, and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. I would also appreciate if you share this video with somebody who might like it, and I hope to see you next time in my next tutorial. Bye!